The book is promoting what's called the anchored learning model towards building education, a schooling that is 2.0, the next generation. The book describes inquiry, learning that is based on learning that is rooted in human values, in ethics, and in core judgments.
This book, I think, is a tremendous gift.
But let me say to the two authors, Paul and Jim, I found the book quite inspirational. I really enjoyed reading it. And I'll just try to share a few thoughts.
And without real-world friction, we lose what's called a discrepant event. A discrepant event causes what's called cognitive dissonance.
And Paul came to us with the idea of starting the training earlier on, not at the university level per se, but arming high school students with the skills that they need to run a business or start thinking about how to solve problems and potentially how can we transform those problems into innovation ventures that can help shift the future.
But the book really shows that when we are creating relationships and learning communities, we can be successful in developing ways of knowing and ways of doing things in together moving forward to the future. Thank you very much.
I believe this book provided a new and a higher standard for teachers and the faculties.
I do think that's the new era is coming, and I do recommend everyone to read the book about how AI is shaping the education in the future.
I really like the future of learning in this book. And you know, right now a lot of students spending a lot of time for school and preparing for the exam, chasing the good grades.
I think I resonate strongly with this book because this book shifts people's attention from the output to the process. It asks when student can generate something so impressive with just one click. If student can generate something so impressive with AI, how can we make sure that the learning still has happened?
I think this book offers a timely and thoughtful discussion on how AI is reshaping education in the world today. And Paul successfully offers his leadership and reflected in this work.
This book provides me a very good topic with my kids. That is the anchor learning theory. It will help me to face the challenge to conduct my kids in my family about how to get well with the emergent AI.
Well, as a student, I actually feel both excited and challenged by the future ways of learning discussed in this book. I like the idea that learning might become more personalized because not every student learns in the same way or same speed.
I think this book is groundbreaking and incredibly insightful. And as a parent, what strikes me most is about the two capabilities contained in this book is about the social intelligence and the hands-on intelligence.
What I'm really excited about in terms of this book is that as a teacher librarian and someone who teaches AI literacy, digital literacy at a high school level, that this book is saying that AI competency is one of the major skills that students should be leaving school with.